Uning, mabit. Upuan, uning.
JB. JB. Pass to Mon. Mon. No good. Rebound by Adong. Pass to Topi. Topi, pass to Mon. Pass to JB. JB. Pass to Adong. Ay. Ay, sembol. Kita udah setlap. Sige. Green pala, green. Willie, pass to Boyd. Boyd, wala. Ipon budget. Ay. Ano yan? Traveling. Offensive foul by JB. JB is your first personal foul. Boyd. Pass to Donel, pass to Jed. No good. Rebound by Jed. No good pa rin. Rebound by Jed pa rin. Jed, nakuha. Nakuha ni Mon. Yun. Nakuha ni Boyd. Pass to Willie. Good for 2 points. No, Jed. Foul. Repos foul. Number 3, Manueli. Your first and a first. Ano kong warning eh? Second quarter na. Mon, pass to Jamie, pass to Mon. Pass to Adong, no good. Rebound by Adong pa rin. Wala pa rin. Adong pa rin. Wala. Nakuha ni... Yun. It's a green ball. Yan. Nagtatrap na po ang Dilaw. Pinakamaganda sa lahat. Ay trap. Trapping defense. Just 15 seconds to shoot. Reka! Manood na ni JB. Good for 2 points by JB. Good for 2 points. Manueli, tumira sa 3. Wala, rebound ba? Hindi na natalo. JB pa rin. Pass to Junax. Mon. Wala. Rebound ba? Tay. Green ball. Left timeout. Yellow Pinoy. Lending. Show. Yun, intercept. Topi, pass to JB. Yun, ako ni Donel. Yun. Manueli, good for 2 points. By Manueli.
Start!
Masarap maglaro pag nanonood ang asawa. Topi for 3. No good. Donel. No good. Liban by Topi. Ay, foul. Number 2. number 3. It's your second. And second reps up. Oy, damit mo. Ako na lang. Wala nga, hindi mo na patayin pa. Wala pa. Toinks. Pass to Mon. No good. Rebound by Jed. Jed. Very close. Pass to... Wala. Willie, okay pa rin. Rebound by Jed. Nasutot. It's a... sing ball. Jed, patake ng damit. Okay. JB, Jed, patake ng damit. Yan, salamat. Good for 2 points by JB. Yung, ako ni JB. JB, pass to Polo. Polo, good for 2 points by John Paul. Manalo. 8 na lang po ang kalabangan ng mga Bulls. Naghahapin na, dilaw, ano? Nawala. Reps up. Kanina. Number 7, out. Reps up. Kanina, Reka, out. Babay, in. Babay. Short, rebound by John Paul. Pass to Mon. Pass to JB. Sabay! Counted foul. Reps up. Mon out. Jabunga in. Napakaganda. Counted foul. Sinong foul? Si Mamay. Number 18. Second. And third. JB yun. Wala. Rebound by Jed. Yun, ako ni Jabonga. Out. JB. Stand. Hindi mo pinagtan ng shot lang. Wala. Down. Okay. Hindi pa ka sabihin. Ay, foul. Sino? Number 17. First. And a second. Team foul. Ano, Willie? Wala. Lumabay. Mandy. Yun. Nakuha. Call na Roser. Yun. Wala, malakas.
Jomel, sa mga pagkaroon.
Ayan.
Sir.
Last 15. Wala pa rin. Ibang balas. Jabonga, yun. Patay. Hop. Ay, reps up. It's a... Roser out. Reps up. Kanina. Mamay out. Wala. Sige.